Luxembourg City, the charming capital of Luxembourg, is a treasure trove of history and culture. This small yet vibrant city is brimming with stories from the past and a rich cultural heritage that captivates every visitor. Beyond its picturesque streets and medieval architecture lies a hidden gem, the Luxembourg Art Museum, or Villa Vauban. This museum is a must-see for art lovers. It offers an intimate and enriching experience for anyone passionate about art. It's home to a diverse and unique collection showcasing centuries of European art. From classical masterpieces to contemporary works, there's something for everyone. Villa Vauban itself is a work of art. Its architecture is a blend of historical elegance and modern sophistication. This elegant 19th century villa, nestled in a beautiful park, adds to the charm of your visit. The serene surroundings make it a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a world of artistic wonders. The museum's interior is as captivating as the art it houses, with beautifully curated galleries. Get ready to be amazed. Each room offers a new discovery, making your visit an unforgettable journey through the world of art. The Luxembourg Art Museum's collection is incredibly rich and varied. You'll find Dutch masters, French Impressionists, and captivating contemporary works. With so much to see, it can be hard to know where to begin. Don't worry, we'll help you navigate this artistic labyrinth. Start your journey with the Dutch masters. Admire the intricate details and realistic scenes of 17th century Holland. Next, travel through time to 19th century France. Experience the vibrant colors and loose brushstrokes of the Impressionists. The Luxembourg Art Museum takes you on a captivating journey through art history. From the Renaissance to the modern era, you'll encounter a wide range of styles and movements. Each room tells a story reflecting the artistic trends and cultural influences of its time. Don't miss the museum's collection of 19th century Luxembourgish art. These works offer a unique glimpse into the country's history and identity. As you explore, pay attention to the stories behind the paintings. You'll discover fascinating tales of artists, patrons, and the times in which they lived. Section 4. Hidden Masterpiece. One of the most exciting things about art museums is the possibility of discovering hidden treasures. These hidden gems often go unnoticed for years, waiting for the right moment to be revealed. The Luxembourg Art Museum has its own share of surprises. It's a place where history and art intertwine, creating an atmosphere of mystery and wonder. In fact, a few years ago, a famous painting was found hidden behind another artwork. This discovery was nothing short of miraculous and added a new chapter to the museum's rich history. Experts were examining a painting when they noticed something unusual. Their trained eyes caught subtle hints that something extraordinary lay beneath the surface. Behind the surface, they detected the faint outline of another image. This faint outline was the first clue that led to an incredible discovery. Carefully, they began the restoration process, and to their astonishment, a masterpiece emerged. The painstaking work of restoration brought to light a piece of art that had been hidden for centuries. This incredible find made headlines around the world, reminding us that art is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Each discovery adds to our understanding and appreciation of art's timeless beauty. Section 5. Luxembourg's Artistic Legacy. The Luxembourg Art Museum is more than just a collection of beautiful objects. It serves as a vibrant cultural hub where history and creativity converge. It's a testament to Luxembourg's rich artistic legacy and its enduring connection to European culture. The museum's architecture itself is a work of art, reflecting the intricate craftsmanship of the region. The museum plays a vital role in preserving the country's heritage. Each artifact is meticulously cared for, ensuring that future generations can appreciate Luxembourg's storied past. It also introduces visitors to the power and beauty of art. From classical masterpieces to contemporary works, the museum's collection is both diverse and inspiring. Through its exhibitions, educational programs, and community outreach, the museum ensures that art remains accessible to everyone. Guided tours and interactive sessions make learning about art engaging and fun. It's a place where people of all ages and backgrounds can connect with art, learn from the past, and find inspiration for the future. The museum fosters a sense of community, bringing people together through the universal language of art. Section 6. Plan your visit. Ready to uncover Luxembourg's hidden art treasures? Plan your visit to the Luxembourg Art Museum or Villa Vauban today. Lose yourself in the beauty of Dutch masters, be captivated by French Impressionism, and discover the hidden gems of Luxembourgish art. The museum offers a variety of tours and activities for all ages. Check their website for current exhibitions and events. Don't miss this opportunity to experience the magic of art in the heart of Luxembourg City. It's an experience you won't soon forget.